Yet another Cosmos ecosystem airdrop opportunity. You're not going to want to miss this one. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, I like to cover a variety of different projects on this channel. From the real degen projects, to blue chips, to the low market cap gems that can do a 25 to 50x in a bull run. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. Nothing on this channel or in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. Okay, this could possibly be a very valuable Cosmos ecosystem airdrop. It's AQUA, built on JUNO, and they put this tweet out about less than a day ago. They're 72 hours from then, so it's about 48 hours from now. I'm going to try to get this video out as soon as possible. If you stake a minimum of 20 JUNO and their delegator, you get 9 different tokens airdropped to you twice a month. That's a big deal in my opinion. I don't know how much of each token, and I'm just kind of looking by the pictures of the tokens of what they are. Casa, Sunset, there's some a bunch of different ones. There's 9 total. I staked JUNO already, but to unstake it would take too long, so I went ahead and I bought some JUNO tokens. Enough, I think I have about 25. I'm going to go ahead on this video and I'm going to show you how to do that. I'm sure a lot of you already know this, but if people that do not, I'm just going to go ahead and use their link. It's right here, wallet, Kepler. You're going to sign on to your wallet. I remember my password. And it says AQUA Wellspring. It's a really, it's for a good cause. There's this Wellspring. We can take a look at it. They're using 100% of the commissions are used to drill water wells in Zambia, Uganda, Haiti, Kenya, Liberia, and beyond. So they're actually using the funds from the commissions from the delegator to go to a good cause, which is awesome. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit delegate. And I have 29.33 JUNO tokens here. And then it gives you a warning. It says you will need to undelegate in order for your staked assets to be liquid again. The process will take 28 days. So that's why I was not able to get the funds ready in time to do that. So I had to buy more. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 25 JUNO tokens. I'm going to go ahead and hit delegate. It's going to have us approve a transaction in the wallet. It's worth a shot. You know, I'm already staking JUNO tokens anyway. I might as well stake some more. I think it's a good project. It'll do good in the future in the next bull run, and then get these airdrops, which is awesome. The way they worded it in the tweet, okay, it went through, so we're good to go. It shows it's staked, amount staked 25 on the AQUA site. So you go to the tweet. It looks like it's possible that you're gonna be able to delegate in the future, and then because the snapshot is in 72 hours from this tweet. The tweet was 23 hours ago. Today's the 7th, so it'll be the 9th. Will be the deadline. Like the deadline will be around 4:00 p.m. and I'm in Central Time, so 5:00 p.m. Eastern Time. But that's really cool that they have this. These 9 different tokens. You know, maybe 4 or 5 of them are, you know, not good, but you know, if you get one winner, it could be a big difference in the amount that they're worth. It's definitely worth a shot in my opinion. There's more details down here where it says their goal is 200,000 stake JUNO to our validator. For the next 24 months, we'll airdrop 9 DAO tokens to our delegators 2 times a month. Our next snapshot is in 5 days. That's where I got that thing where they might be doing multiple snapshots, because it says our next snapshot. And then down here, it's showing a kind of sort of some of the delegate or some of the tokens for airdrop. Here, yeah, Casa on JUNO, Mana on JUNO, Summit on JUNO, Emp or on Empower DAO, Spiro DAO, Middle Ground DAO. Those are the different ones. If you want to take a look at those and see what those projects are, you can click on them and then follow their Twitter. I'm probably going to do that to see what they're all about. So, and I think probably AQUA tokens will be part of that as well. They have a kind of a cool video showing what they're doing, helping out those communities. So I should have this video out within about an hour or so. So you'll have a full 48 hours to get staked with the minimum 20 JUNO tokens. If you like these airdrop updates, make sure you subscribe to the channel and make sure you drop a like on the video. Only about 25% of the people that watch my videos are subscribed to the channel, which is crazy. We can do better than that, can't we? Please subscribe if you enjoy these videos. So I'll keep putting out Cosmos, the ecosystem airdrops, as soon as I find them. And sometimes I'll do a short, sometimes I'll do a full video. I think this one was deserving of a full video. And I will come out with a full monthly airdrop accumulation video as well. So as always, thank you for watching and have a great day.